Wanna know how to fix your PUBG Mobile's screen freeze issue? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can improve or fix your game freezing mid-match. So first and foremost, you need to just simply lower up your graphics. So just simply head towards settings, select this arrow icon, select settings, and head towards graphics right here. So make sure your graphics are minimalistic. So you can just either select better frame rate right here, or just simply hit towards power saving right here. Now once you're done with it, just simply select apply. And once the apply is hit, your settings should be changed. Now if it still doesn't work, make sure you have disabled battery saver mode. If you have battery saver mode enabled, it simply kills performance. Your mobile also has performance mode or game booster. Make sure to enable it as well. So if your phone overheats, that could also cause screen lags and freezes. So make sure to keep it at rest. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.